I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery in your VW Tiguan key fob. First, make sure you have a new CR 2032 battery ready. You will also need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. Having a well-lit area will make the process much easier to see and complete successfully. To begin, find the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly and then pull out the emergency key blade. Next, look for a small slot where the key blade was. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver or pry tool into this slot and gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the fob. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old battery. Gently pry it out of its compartment, being careful not to damage any internal components. Pay attention to how the old battery was oriented, noting which side was facing up. Now, insert your new CR 2032 battery with the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, facing upwards. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of the key fob. Press them together firmly until you hear a click, ensuring they are securely sealed. Finally, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot. Now, test your key fob by locking and unlocking your vehicle to confirm it is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.